issues that are disturbing.
Urukiko rwa Kanso y'orurembo rwa Hoima rwebembirwe mukuru w'empanura za Kanso Edward Isingoma ruhakanise ekitenso ekya Buliisa okushwarwa aha Bukama bwa Bunyoro kitara bakahangaho obundi Bukama obarikwenda kweta obutebungwa bwa Bugungu borekere ngwenjenderwaho y'ihanga eya 1995 omu chapter ya 247 aha ngingo y'igana 18 neyureka kurungi ku Buliisa n'emwe aha za district za Bunyoro.
Bunyoro Kitara Kingdom shouldn't be disintegrated. In 1993, the kingdom was re-established, and in 1995, the new constitution of Uganda was made, allowing and recognizing the kingdoms.
Mr. Speaker, if there is a time that Bunyoro needs to be united, it is now and now. Being united, Mr. Speaker, means we can have higher bargaining power and we can have more strength to engage the central government in terms of service delivery for this region.
Ngukorga kare abagungu abarukuturo mu Buliisa nibamanywa nka rumwe aha mahanga agarukushangwa omoro Bunyoro.
That the issue of disintegration is not required as of now and shouldn't be supported. We need to remain in Bunyoro Kitara Kingdom of the time before, now and forever.
Ima mukuru w'empanura z'orukiko Edward Isingoma atereza karuru.
All those in favor of the motion that one, we condemn the breakaway or any disintegration of Bunyoro Kitara, and two, that Bunyoro Kitara remains as one. Those in favor say aye, and the contrary, those opposed say no. Aye. The ayes have it.
Edward Isingoma hamwe na Meya Brian Kaboyo bagamba ngo tubari kutekateka ngo sente z'amajuta nazo zirabatanure.
Mukuru nomani rukumu akuruka Buliisa. Kati mafuta kitutwagarwanira tutte. Akaraba kayizire nikabagama Bukama kasita parliament yayitweroho bayikiranize bororo mulingo karayamba Bukama bwaitu gendo maiso.
Obuhwireho President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni akaraganisa okutaha omunshongezi. Entekateka zo kuca mu Buliisa kurga aha Bunyoro zebembirwe chairman wa district ya Buliisa Fred Rukumu hamwe na Norman Rukumu owabireho omuhikirwa wa Bunyoro Kitara. Gashakwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.